Hello, and welcome back to DevOps Quick Bites, where we break down DevOps concepts into actionable insights. Today, I'm going to tackle a common misconception: why building your own DevOps stack might seem cost-effective, but often ends up costing more in the long run. Many teams start with open-source tools and custom scripts thinking they're saving money, but hidden costs, maintenance overhead, and lost focus on core development often make this a false economy. So, if exploring this in detail sounds good to you, stick around. At first, building your own DevOps pipeline seems like a minimal investment, just some staff time to evaluate and configure the right tools. But costs ramp up fast. Selecting and integrating the right tools requires extensive research, testing, and often trial and error. Then there's the ongoing maintenance, which isn't just about keeping tools running, it's about staying on top of updates, fixing breaking changes, and ensuring compatibility between different systems. Infrastructure costs also add up. Whether you're running on-premises or in the cloud, maintaining build servers, test machines, and storage for artifacts comes with a real price tag. Many teams also find that they need to hire a dedicated DevOps engineer just to keep things running, adding to those operational expenses. A managed DevOps platform, on the other hand, eliminates much of this burden. It's designed to work out of the box with best practices built in. Instead of spending weeks or months stitching together different tools, you can get up and running in hours, freeing your team to focus on what really matters, delivering features and value to your users. Getting different DevOps tools to work together is harder than it looks. Open source tools often use different technologies and interfaces, which mean you need custom scripts, third-party plugins, and manual workarounds to make them function as a cohesive pipeline. And even when you get everything working, updates and new versions of tools introduce an ongoing maintenance challenge. Every time a tool updates, your integrations might break. What worked yesterday may suddenly stop working, forcing engineers to drop everything and diagnose the failures. And if a key script fails during deployment, it can create cascading issues across your entire pipeline. So keeping everything running smoothly requires constant effort, which means less time spent on product innovation. A managed DevOps platform removes this complexity. Instead of spending time maintaining integrations, your team can rely on a system where everything is built to work together from day one. That means fewer unexpected issues, less time troubleshooting, and a more predictable and reliable DevOps workflow. One of the biggest hidden costs of rolling your own DevOps stack is the impact on productivity. Every hour spent maintaining scripts, debugging build features, or managing infrastructure is an hour not spent building the features that actually drive the business value. Your engineers were hired for their expertise in building great software, not for maintaining deployment pipelines. That context switching is a real problem. When developers have to constantly shift between working on the product and firefighting issues in the pipeline, it slows everything down. Work gets interrupted, productivity drops, and frustration builds. Instead of making steady progress on your product roadmap, your team's stuck with dealing with build failures and dependency conflicts. A dedicated DevOps platform will remove these distractions. By eliminating the need to maintain custom integrations and troubleshoot issues, engineers can stay focused on what they do best, building and shipping great software. The result is faster releases, fewer delays, and a more efficient DevOps process overall. Rather than piecing together your own DevOps stack, leveraging a managed platform accelerates your ability to realize the benefits of DevOps. A managed solution comes with built-in best practice, automated maintenance, and pre-configured integrations, removing the complexity of maintaining a homegrown toolchain. Think for a moment about why businesses use platforms like Salesforce instead of managing spreadsheets and custom-built CRM tools. It's because a managed solution ensures reliability, scalability, and ease of use. And that same logic applies to DevOps. A dedicated DevOps platform provides a unified data model, complete visibility into your pipeline, and built-in automation, making your team more productive from day one. With a managed DevOps platform, your team doesn't have to worry about setting up and maintaining infrastructure. Instead, they can focus on accelerating deployments, improving testing, and delivering value to customers faster. One of the biggest pain points of a homegrown DevOps stack is ongoing maintenance. Every update to a key tool, whether it's Jenkins, GitHub, SonarQube, or many more, it introduces the risk of breaking something. Suddenly, your pipeline that worked perfectly last week is failing, and your team has to scramble to fix it. Custom scripts, API integrations, and plugins all require maintenance as well. If a third-party plugin stops being supported, you're left scrambling for an alternative. And if the person who originally wrote a critical integration script leaves the company, you may find yourselves in a difficult situation trying to reverse engineer how everything works. Again, with a managed DevOps platform, the burden is lifted. Updates, compatibility testing, and maintenance are handled behind the scenes, ensuring that your tools stay up to date without disrupting your workflow. There's no unexpected effort spikes every time a new version of a tool is released, and no need for dedicated engineers to keep your pipeline running. Your team's freed from all of that maintenance overhead, allowing them to focus on delivering the software, not firefighting infrastructure issues. Rolling your own DevOps stack might seem like a cost-saving measure at first, but in reality, it introduces those hidden costs, technical debt, and lost productivity. While open source tools provide flexibility, they also come with significant integration, maintenance, and overhead challenges that can slow down development and increase costs over time. A managed DevOps platform provides a better alternative by offering pre-integrated tools, automated maintenance, and a reliable foundation for continuous delivery. A managed solution will allow teams to focus on what truly matters, building and shipping that software. The result is faster dev cycles, fewer interruptions, and a DevOps workflow that works smoothly without constant maintenance. So if you've ever tried building your own DevOps stack, I'd love to hear your experiences. This is largely an opinion, and there are counter-arguments. I'd love to hear them. But what challenges did you face? Was it worth the effort in the long run? Let me know in the comments and make this a discussion. And of course, if you found this video useful, be sure to subscribe for more insights on DevOps done right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.